Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Sashali, and what I'll be doing in this video is basically attempting to assemble my office chair. That's what I'm going to call it. Or let me see, ergonomic office chair. Yeah, so same thing. So basically what I'm doing here is just taking the stuff out of the box. Honestly, guys, me never know what me did I gonna do or how many plan to put this together, but you know, girl come through and girl did her thing. Right, so right here, so now I basically finished take out everything out of the box and push it one side, and me already up myself. May I look for the manual and remember some seat on the cushion. So I'm gonna take up the cushion, put it down, take it out back. And then for what some strange reason, but I know I never just pull the entire bag, bust the bag open, but you know, girl, so she take her time, so she push her hand in the bag eventually if you take out the two manual them. One was English, one was Spanish. Love how them language friendly. I said the one with Spanish and I nicely put that to the side because who was going to read that? Boom, girl start go through the manual. When girl I go through the manual, girl I read. For make sure so she follow all instructions to a T, you know. So girl see some things, them say the chair must not dip on hardwood floor because it might cause damage, and it must not dip on board floor either, or tile, it might cause scratches and stuff like that. Don't before you carry back you must call him, stuff like that. But girl did I read. Girl was reading. Anyways, so right here, so girl excited, so girl jump and start with the thing. So the first thing the instruction they tell me for do I take out the two attachable foot them. Attach them on. Right, it's never really hard for do. I'm tell you, never really hard for do, cause as you see, I just read as I go along. Yeah, that's the same I go down a ground now. Because it's more easier down there, so. And I carry the manual, because I'm not left it in the manual. I'm my best friend, so me I read. Me I make sure I dip on the right part. I think right so it does show me one screw, must about A1. I made have to make sure. And then make sure it's the right screw me I use. Because the time myself I'm edit say something about make sure I'm in a cross thread. Just be careful and make sure I'm in a cross thread the screw them. So me did have to, you know, see to it that me I use all of the correct screw them at all times. So yes, so you see me that try see me could have get everything open but that never work. So I have to just cut out the space them for everything on my use. So I get out the all-in key and the screw and I start go to work. Honestly, it never crossed my mind at this time say but it's supposed to fix the camera, so you're not gonna really see much. So I guess I can just speed up that part even more and probably drop in some music here, so because I don't know what me I do. So that's a good one. So right here, so now I'm draw for the wheel them and me basically cut open the bag, and me no want to tell them to say like most men have no finger to hold the part that beat me, and this is even the worst part of it. So I'm go sub ups now and I scan through the instruction them, you know. Nah, take my time. I'm try. I'm look for me something. I say someone spin something on it, and I wonder what this for. Them see it and it say, oh, push down. So I push it down. One slam finger, slam up. I say, yo, wicked at that, you know. Then I learn my lesson. I never put my hand back under the thing. I just put it over. You probably don't understand what I say, but that's what I say when I see it. But see then, I like a victory dance with it. I put up my Chick-fil-A bag, And then me I go through the instructions again. It's time for put in the gas lift, that's what them call it. And me I tear the something to get the gas lift out, but the gas lift, I don't like it. You don't want to play hide and seek with me. I never want to come out of the box. And no matter what minute I do, it never work. So boom. I'm patient, you know, because I have to find a way. I find it, I take it out. But even by that throw it out. And then I don't know this sticky something they dip on it, and me I try everything to get rid of it. I'll pan the box me every time it never comes. I say, "True, nah, bad that." Then I just drop it in, and them say that's all I have to do. No screw, no nothing. Just drop it in. Then you can see me get up and I adjust the camera so now on the tripod. So I carry it down so now only can see me. So I show you say, oh yeah, I reach the second step now. I accomplish the second step, so it's time for part 3. Now part 3 a little bit tricky guys. Me didn't know, I'm honestly would I just adjust the angle them before. So this is how we are going to cut out. I finally take the things them out of the bag. Right? I'm going to sub up so I'm going to take it out. At first, me I wonder if this was the back, the part where you ever see a back pan and not the cushion instead. But then, you know, I read. I'm genuinely confused, yeah, so. But then, what's it say? Then I read one part where say, part of the instruction say, if I put on, you know, that's something where you pump up to make the seat go up higher, adjust higher, feel? That's when I find it, I'm going to put it on. And then it's a find the screw them, it's a tempo the screw them, it's a tempo offset it. So I never know how to set this. At this me that up when you hear me somebody confused that me that up because I search to see the 2 screw all them there. Pan this now I never see the one word the pan the front will show me how you set it. Then me I read about the screw them now and me I read I go away so till you see me I look for the screw them and you go see me cut it out because I make sure I have the right screw them as well I've been telling you. So boops I cut out the screw and I screw them in. So now I'm finished screw on this the something to it, the touch up to it. And I'm gonna put it on the wheel then. If that makes sense. You know, so me I just make a skip out this. Alright, now my day about now with the seat and it said to me so I must push it down, must press down hard on it to make sure I say it's secure. Honestly guys, I can't tell you if it's secure cause alright, watch what me I gotta do. Watch this. Me I push. Alright, watch out now. Boom. Nothing. By this, I don't know if it's secure or not, but just test it. And then, you know, I test the pressure it. So I made that gamma upon it again. I said, alright, that works. And now I'm gonna look for the next step. And this is where I get the beat in my life. Because me there, you know. Yeah, I can see how proud I look. I can see how proud I look when I screw on them something. When I say I'm proud. So when I say I'm proud, nobody don't proud like me. Because all in my head is, yeah, girl, I do the right thing. Only for when I look at me, I say, oh, that's not me I look so. 2 plus 2 are equal 12, and that is not correct. Look. Just look. Look on the foolishness. Just look. Me I gonna make una say, just look. You know, me that for quickly send out a message, reply to one message, and make a couple checks. And if I make the checks, I reply to, and then I put up back the phone because, yeah, me I do something. Now, I'm going back to the struggles. So, you gotta see. The chair no set right, you know. The chair no set right, and me, poor me, do not see. But all me know is that me I do the right. Me just know in my head, say, yeah, me I do the right thing. But even what, but just want to see. So right here, so now I realize say me I do the wrong thing all along, and me say me I unscrew it. And I feel like a champion no more, so me I unscrew everything and take it off. Yes, so now boy, not tell a lie, but it kind of discouraged, but me that try. Because you see in the instructions initially it said that don't tighten the bolts until the chair is completely assembled. And honestly, me that things alright, just make it do a little thing. But little did I know, say I did not get a run for my money. You know how long I spent on the side of the chair, from loosening to tightening to everything. You see, I'm there as a screw, a screw, and nothing now work. You see, me turn it all on its side now, and this side say alright. Me I go up there and it nothing never work. So I know man, I'm gonna look for myself to see what the problem. Cause this is the side where the screw just never will me switch it. Alright, I'm gonna say yo, alright, it's screw. It's screwing for that part here. Alright, find this next screw. Let me try to think, cause I need something if I work. My knee hurt me and it just not working. Screw, nothing not work. Screw, still not work. Me all a carrying here, how long people to give them medicine, nothing not work. All I see me what it nothing not work. Nothing not working. So I loosen it little, fix it. It finally go on. Me look up by this and she said me I got 38 minutes out of footage, and honestly me never intend to do that. Oh no, lie me. Well yes, but the phone did want charge. Cause me that thing for just take it to stop it at one point and then start again, but we have time for that. So boom, we reach for the next side now. And I don't even remember what did happen on the side, if it did go in smoothly or what. But yeah, it did go on. Look like it did go on. So now I time to put on the back part of the chair. May I put on, pull it out. Now like in the instructions it said I should have put on the back part of the chair lined like facing forward, so it did for bend forward. The curve, the arch there, not the arch at the back. Look here, the belly where they on the inside should have been on the seat for putting the first set of screw them. But as you can clearly see, I never did that. Never do it in that time. I just fit it in the socket, like pop it in the socket and just fit in the screw them. Alright, so basically here so I have my little victory talk with myself. I say yeah, I do it. I don't know why that chair I feel like it must be stubborn and like it don't want me to be great, but you know, I do my thing and I go through with it. By this, I look for the next set of steps now. I'm look at my glad bag bust when I say the only step left, literally the only step left, was to put on the headrest part on it. So I'm finish tightening all of the screw them. I never tighten according to instructions on how or when I read. And then I go some ups and draw for the headrest. I go some ups and I get the headrest. I find back the screw box to take out the last two screw them. I see one black cap thing in it, you know, that right there, so that little black something there right there, so where in the screw back same way. I wonder where it find about them. Say no you figure out. I guess I either cover the screw them. So boom, pop in the two screw them and now me I screw them in. And then see how that part is easy. And then just put on the cap, and that was basically it. Alright guys, this was a long video. I'm still pretty bored, so I might try to do my desk tonight, but I don't know. Either way, ta-da! I'm strong and I'm independent. Guys, I did this. I did that. I was about to go to bed and I was like, you know what? I don't want to sleep. I don't want to go to bed. So let me do what's due, you know? And I did that. And look at me now. Look at me now. Of course, I read the instructions and I don't want to damage the people on the floor. So I guess I'll be getting a carpet. That was not on my list of things to ever have, because carpet carry trap dust basically, and I was not trying to have any of that. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Now it's time for me to set up my table, but I think I'm gonna stop this video here, probably speed it up and do a voiceover, and then get back to y'all. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. You know, like, share, subscribe, as an independent girl.